What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a new build today, finally. It's a 2011 Audi A4 Quattro. Got it for a steal of a deal. Now we just have to fix it and get it running. The car, it runs already, but it doesn't drive yet because the knuckle got broken in the accident. So we're gonna have to replace the knuckle. Gonna be going to junkyards, getting all that stuff, getting a new fender, door, back door, straighten out that piece. Don't know what it's called, but yeah, car looks great, great condition. Let's start taking stuff off, seeing the damage underneath, and let's go. Alright guys, so I'm finishing up removing the fender, then we're going to move on to both doors, and then we're going to go get the parts. So we removed the front door. We're gonna leave the back door on for now until we get the new parts, so the car at least stays somewhat covered from the weather. But right now I'm gonna maybe straighten things out a little bit, but we'll see. Alright, so we removed the knuckle, and then because it was cracked right where the control arm is. We got a new knuckle right here from the junkyard. We got a few other parts, the old fender, and then the new fender, color match. Fortunately, I didn't notice that the doors are a different color, so we're going to have to exchange those, but we are going to put this one on for now, the front door, and then I'm just going to straighten out the back one a little bit so it closes evenly and stuff. And then we'll just drive this to the junkyard and then just exchange it there. But for now, let's start putting the knuckle on, get the car drivable, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we assembled the knuckle, put everything together. Now we're just gonna change the tie rod because that's the piece that broke. That was the reason we changed the knuckle in the first place. Put on any of these, and then take it for a quick spin. Make sure nothing's knocking, and then we'll be working back on that. Alright, so we tied everything together, put the tie rod on, now we're going to throw the wheel on. We'll be doing the body work, put it together, and then, yeah. Alright guys, so we had a few little change of plans. Since this is part of the Unibody body, this is a lot harder to straighten, and clearly it doesn't look pretty when you try to straighten it, so we just ordered a new piece. We're just going to cut it out from like right around here to like back there, and we're just going to weld in a whole new piece so it's all straight and pretty, and then it's OEM standards or whatever. So we'll just do that, and then doors, I have to change those because they're a different color. See, just a little bit different color. Changing those. Right now we're going to put it on just to drive it to the gas station so we can fill up because it's running low on gas. But yeah, this is the progress so far. We got the wheel assembly assembled all the way. It's all good. Steers, we just drove it around like this little dirt patch. And yeah, now we're just going to throw the fender on and the door somewhat straight, drive it to the gas station. And yeah, then we'll be back. Okay guys, so we put the car together, the door and the fender and the wheel. We're gonna take it for a first drive to the gas station. And but this is gonna be it for today. Next episode we're gonna take this all off. Go to junkyard, switch this up for the same color. Then we're gonna get the unibody piece. We're gonna weld that in, and then basically the car's gonna be done. It's gonna be a short build, but it's gonna be a lot of experience learning. Alright, thanks guys for watching this episode. Stay tuned for more. If you're interested in this build, like, comment, subscribe, to show some support for me so I can, actually have motivation to do these videos, and take care. Yeah.